Okay, so now that we've gone over the three main key points of the four problems that we're going to be looking at, let's dive into problem 1. So the problem says two ends of river has a distance of 480 kilometers. And I suggest you start making your sketch as you read the problem. So I'm going to make a line there, and there's going to be two ends of a river. Okay. And they have a distance of 480 kilometers. A ship starts downstream and it makes its way back again. So how about we go like this to show that the current is going this way? You could do it the other direction, but this is just how we do it. So the ship starts downstream and makes its way back again, taking 16 hours to go downstream and 20 more hours to go upstream. What is the speed of the ship in still water? What is the speed of the water? Remember, the water speed never changes. And if we know the downstream speed and upstream speed, remember, we can make our chart. So we know that this is the velocity of the ship, velocity of water is over here, and this is velocity of downstream, this is velocity of upstream, right? And we know that these two sides are equal. Well, we know that the downstream speed, we know the downstream speed because we know the entire distance, the entire lap, the length of it, and we also know the time it took. So 480 divided by 16. That gives you 30. So the downstream speed would be 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, and the upstream speed we also divide. So 180 divided by the time it took, which is 20, and we get 24. So the upstream speed would be 24 kilometers per hour. So since the water speed is the same for both of them, what would be their middle number? Well, you can find their average. So 30 plus 24, you get 54, divide by 2, and then you get 27. So the ship speed itself in still water would be 27 kilometers per hour. So we already found the speed of the ship in still water, which is 27 kilometers per hour. But we also need to find the speed of the water, which is easy. We can take, for example, the upstream speed and the middle speed, subtract, we have 3 kilometers per hour. So the water speed would be 3 kilometers per hour. That's our final answer.